That's okay. Then let me pluck some of this. Release. Not many. I need only few. As you can see, it's heavily raining. I have decided to cook here on my veranda only. I've got a bamboo shoot, fresh organic bamboo shoot bought from Garo market, and I have got the buff meat. I've got a meat, and I'll cook this meat and bamboo shoot in my own style, so in a tribal way. So let's get started cooking meat and bamboo shoot and adding this rangtu to enhance the flavor. So let's get started, my friends. Once again here on the rainy day outside my house. So let's get started. So let me place this here and let it dry up. Hit it the door. Bas. Ma. Ke ngan kle lang ba kanai kalung ba kado. Bat kanai kasentu. Kanai kasentu bas mabi ba wana nasnong. Ke ngan kle lang ba kanai. Then let So I'm going to use this fat in place of oil. Dry ones. That's done. So I'm going to use this oil. Okay, let me peel garlic by then. Heavy then, as you can hear. Now I'm going to fill this and start smashing it. One more. Thanks, Guru. Again, once more, the root from Sora. Stir it. I don't have a spoon. Forgot. That's good enough. 2 minutes. Bamboo shoot, I have boiled it, pressurized it in a pressure cooker. So I'm going to add this also. So for now, let me add spicy 1 king chili. Here. Stir it. The meat. Oh. Perfect. Perfect. Now, a little bit of remaining of soup. I'm going to add this. The boiled bamboo shoot will be added now. Big size. Let me sit properly. Yes, like this. Now, bamboo shoots are a little more than the meat because It's a good absorbance, and the bamboo shoot has got a neutral taste, and later when it is cooked, the bamboo shoot will be tastier than the meat. Cut it like this. 1, 2. 1, 2. I love to eat this. It's one of my favorite. The flavor is so good. Guai jan le thun đi đây. Khai mấy masala lau na thun. From my garden. Spray on top of it, and very soon the curry will be ready to eat. And some extra flavor, I want it my own style. Let me just use these sticks, pull it out. This one, as you see this one, I'm going to tie it like this to make into one. This one I'm going to place on top of it. Hey, it's gonna be yummy. Chala, let's wait. And the non-veg cooked in tribal style. Meat, some of the mushrooms I like, and the ranking here. So let's start the feast. One on favorite. It's an authentic flavor. Yummy. Very, very tasty. Thank you so much once again. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much once again for watching. Stay blessed. Stay tuned for my next episode. Till then, bye bye. See you.